St. X students are learning about those different from them, and they got a visit from a man who spends his day with gang members. It's this man, Father Gregory Boyle. He's spent 30 years doing interventions with gang members in Los Angeles. The school invited him to spread a message there, bridging the gap between the haves and the have-nots.
The hope is that if you can have them be utterly convinced that we belong to each other, that there is no us and them, and so it's you want to invite them to create a community of kinship such that God might recognize it. That's the hope.
Father Boyle's kicked off a two-day summit at St. X. Tomorrow, students will hear from more speakers before a presentation on modern human slavery, which happens tomorrow night.